Welcome to East Coast Volkswagen. Today we're taking a look at a 2022 Volkswagen iD4 full electric vehicle. Now it's all-wheel drive in the Pro S trim level. Now the color is the deep black pearl, and it's one of those colors you kind of have to see in person because it kind of comes to life when the sun hits it. But here in the front, you can see it's all aerodynamic. Since it's a full electric vehicle, we don't need all the cooling like a regular internal combustion engine has. It does have the parking sensors, the Volkswagen badge looking really nice, and there's lots of accent lighting on this vehicle, so at nighttime it really comes to life. This vehicle is sitting on a set of 20-inch alloy wheels with a gloss black finish. And the overall shape of the vehicle is for aerodynamics. The doors actually go all the way down to the side, to the bottom of the vehicle here, so it kind of covers up that threshold and keeps that area clean. The electric vehicle is really easy to use. You just basically, you can plug it in at home using AC 110 or 220, traditional plug at your house, or you can go to a DC fast charger and get while you're on a trip, get a really fast charge so you can get back on your way. Two questions I get all the time. How far will it drive? In this case, 255 miles is what they're estimating. And how long does it take to charge? Well, at your house on 240, 7.5 hours. So 7.5 hours overnight, basically, when the electricity is relatively cheap, you can charge your vehicle. In the morning, you're ready to go a full 255 miles. So here's the rear of the vehicle. You can see it has that rear spoiler kind of bowing down here in the back, kind of adding to the aerodynamics. There is a backup camera, and this one actually has a tow hitch, and it can actually tow 2,700 pounds, which is interesting. Parking sensors across the back as well. So let's go ahead and open up this power lift gate, and you can see how much cargo space you have back here. It's actually surprising, you know, when I first looked back here, it's like looks like there wouldn't be so much, but it's actually pretty good. It has bag holders here, little cubbies here on the side, tie downs. There's a 12-volt power supply. You can see there's lights on both sides, which is nice. Another bag holder there. And this shade right here is removable. It lifts up out of your way, but if you want to completely remove it, you can. You can also fold these seats down. It's a 60-40 split. This lifts up. You have additional space under the floor. You can also lower this load floor lower if you need to. And then you lift this up again, and there's another cubby here as well. So you can put your charge cable in here. It also has a tire inflator kit as well. Here's the back seat area, and has like a combination of black and gray interior. Really nice looking. And fairly normal seats back here. With the armrest that flips up, it has cup holders as well. There's also a pass-through here as well. These seats fold down. It has the latch system for car seats. There's connectivity, USB charge ports there, and a little cubby hole, rear climate control vents as well. And there's a really massive, it looks like a sunroof, but it's just a fixed glass roof, but it's really impressive. Here's the front, and really easy to get in and out of, very intuitive with the power seat and all that. It's fairly normal as far as the way you use it, and lots of room here in the front. Now it has a full proximity key, so you can use the vehicle 100%. So when you get in the vehicle, it senses the key, unlocks the door, you get in the vehicle, you drive it without starting it or anything. It senses the key, it starts the vehicle automatically, and when you get out, you just walk away with the key and it relocks the vehicle automatically. So, you know, very simple. It's just something to get used to. Everything activates when you get in with the key and sit in the seat. You can see the gauge cluster here is really nice. And it also is affixed to the steering column. So as you adjust it, it sticks in that same spot so you can always see it perfectly. It's really cool. The shifter is located here. You just turn it to go to drive. Press this to go to park, and pull it back to go reverse. So once again, very simple. All the buttons here are easy to read. There's the home screen, has the navigation. You get charging information here on the screen as well. You can find charging locations. There's lots of stuff. So right now we have 73% charge, 192 miles of range. So it kind of keeps you informed as far as that. Climate control is down here. Cup holders, storage areas here. as well as the armrest here. It lifts up, and you have additional space there as well. There's so much cool stuff about this vehicle, and it's hard to show it all in a short video. So really recommend taking one for a test drive, checking it out, see if it's right for you. If you're not familiar with electric vehicles, they are relatively easy and straightforward and enjoyable. They're very fast and fun to drive. That's my favorite part. So yeah, check it out. East Coast Volkswagen here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. There will be a link, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.